Looks beautiful out there today, brother.
Yeah. I'm getting out past that next little point a little way, and I'm dropping the fishing line in.
Oh, yeah?
I'm going to go right around, catch the little skin, and go right around the point. I'm trying to get supper.
If you catch a big enough one and he goes the right direction, he might pull you to that mine.
There you go.
There goes my pterodactyls saying goodbye.
Yep.
I love them birds. They're one of my favorite things about this place.
See, she's not going to get her neck burnt.
Nope, she sure ain't.
There was one sailboat took off this morning already.
I thought I saw that.
Yeah. It wasn't the one that came in last night either.
Safe paddling, dogger. What's that? I know. I can't see it. The bottom. Yeah, I'm over the rocks now. See that fuzzy point to the right? That is Hay Point. This one jutting out here with the single tree that's clear, that's Spruce Point. What's that? I don't know. It's. I can't see. It doesn't say, and I think that's because I'm zoomed out too far. The point is, when we get to this island, I guess we have a choice. We can go to Hay Bay and call it a day, because that's going to be like 16 miles. And try going for the point tomorrow. Or go for the point and fight these sideways waves. That's what they are on me right now, sideways. I don't know, it almost looks like the island's past Hay Point. Oh, wow. We've come 12.5 miles. Hey, we're past Houghton Point. That's all that was the main thing I wanted. I did not want to have to sit there and worry about what kind of conditions we were going to have in the morning.
You seen it today?
Yeah. You squeeze that butt thing. Says it feels good not to be locking myself in there so you don't fall over. That was hard, that part where the waves were hitting me broadside.
Yeah, they kept, wonking me around too.
Yeah, the rollers are actually pushing us. My idiot side of my brain's going, what the hell? Rainbow Cove, another 12 miles. The smart side of my brain's going, screw you. Crazy side of my brain saying you could be in Grace Island Tuesday night and Wednesday night.